Good morning, children. Open your English first book, chapter 12. Name is the Ganga. Today we will know about river, the Ganga, that is our holy river. Read after me. The Ganga is the most important river in India. It emerged from the Himalayas. Three rivers join to form the river Ganga. It is the Bhagirathi, the Alaknanda, and the Mandakini converge at Devprayag, 70 km upstream of Rishikesh in Uttarakhand, and thus the river Ganga comes into being. Children, as you know, Ganga is the very important river. It is holy river and it starts from Himalayas. Three rivers emerge in it, that are Bhagirathi, Alaknanda, Mandakini, and then Ganga forms, that is in Uttarakhand. The Ganga is the 15th largest river of Asia. Children, you have listened already. Its place is 15th in Asia. It is, as Jawaharlal Nehru once said, the well-known symbol of India. It sustains the lives of over 300 million people living on its bank. Jawaharlal Nehru already said that it is a main symbol of India, that is Ganga, and it maintains the lives of 300 million people living on its bank. It gives life these people to consume. The Ganga is considered a sacred river by the Hindus. Children, as you know, it is a holy river, it is a sacred river. We worship of this river. A Hindu is supposed to have lived in vain if he fails to take a dip in the holy river at least once in his lifetime. Hindu believed, they think that if you are not able to take a dip in this water of Ganga's water in your life is useless. So try to take a dip in this holy river. Besides, its water is used on many auspicious occasions in numerous households throughout India. Children, you know, in our India, the water of Ganga used on many religious occasions and other also. It is believed that the water of the river have medicinal value and can cure illness. And this water, that is of Ganga river, it is very useful for medicinal value. It has medicinal value. If you have disease, many types of disease, this water can able to remove your illness, many types of diseases. The Ganga begins its journey at Gomukh Glacier, situated at an altitude of 4,246 meter, 13,800 feet in the Himalayas. Children, the Ganga starts its journey from where? It is from Himalayas, and the height of, what is the height there? 13,800 feet. Where the stream called the Bhagirathi, that stream called what called? That is Bhagirathi. This stream called Bhagirathi can be seen trickling down as the ageless glacier melts. You are seeing here the stream that is called Bhagirathi can be coming in the as a thin line. It comes as a thin line looking at the ageless glacier. Children, read this chapter carefully. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.